Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Prahlad Maharaj was chastised by his father so many ways, but he could not forget Krishna. His love was fixed up. Therefore, Krishna became very much pleased. Prito, Prahlada Bhadram. So, Mam Aprinaga Ayushman. Ayushman, blessing. Now you can live long. Or eternally live, Ayushman. Ayush means duration of life. When one approaches Krishna, Mamopeta kontiya dukkhalam sasatam jnapnuvanti. Dukkhalam, so long you have got this material body, the material world, it is dukkhalam, asasatam. It is full of miserable conditions. And at the same time, not permanent. Even if we accept miserable conditions, everyone is trying to live. The old man does not like to die. He goes to the doctor, takes some medicine, so that he can continue his life, but he will not be allowed to be asasa. You may be a very rich man, you may take many pills, many injections to prolong your life, but that is not possible. That is not possible. But as soon as you see Krishna, then you get your eternal life. Eternal life we have got, we are eternal. Nahannati hannamani sarire. We do not die after the destruction of the body. We take another body. This is the disease. And when you see Krishna, when you understand Krishna, even without saying, if you simply understand Krishna, then you become eternal. Janma karma means deep born. Jo janati tattata, tatta deham punarjanma naiti. Krishna said, simply try to understand Krishna. To understand Krishna is also seeing Krishna. Because he is absolute. There is no difference. As in the material world, you understand something, but you cannot see it. This is duality. But in the absolute, if you understand Krishna, if you hear Krishna, if you see Krishna, if you play with Krishna, they are all one. This is called absolute. There is no duality. So if you simply understand Krishna, Vidvam, divine nature, simply you understand that Krishna is not like us. Krishna has no material body. Krishna is not unhappy. Krishna is always happy. Simply few things, if you become convinced that Krishna's nature, immediately you become eligible to be transferred back to home, back to God. This is Krishna consciousness. It's so nice. Krishna is explaining himself. And if you become convinced, yes, what Krishna said, it is all right. Just like Arjuna said, Sarvametam vritam manme jadvadasi teso. Whatever you have said, I accept in total. No reduction, no. Sarvametam vritam manme. Whatever you have said, I believe. I take evidence. That is Krishna says something and I understand something. That will go on with your millions of years. It will never be possible. You have to understand Krishna as he says. That we are presenting Bhagavad-gita as. That is real understanding.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.